Bedtime Stories made for you by Diggy and George. The Crow and the Swans. The last days of summer were coming to an end. It was a very hot day. On one side of the jungle, there was a river, and on the other side, there was a huge banyan tree. On this banyan tree, there lived a crow. He used to pass his days by shouting, "Cow! Cow! Cow!" One afternoon, there came two swans who decided to rest under this banyan tree to escape from the heat. They closed their eyes and resting peacefully. Just then, the crow asked them, "Hey you, where have you come from? And why are you sitting under my tree?" "We have come from Mansarovar River, which is very far away. We just want to rest for a while and then we will go away." The swans replied in a humble tone. The crow didn't want to share, and so he challenged them. "Let us have a flying competition. Whosoever loses would have to fly away." After a lot of denial, the swans agreed. At last, the flying competition started. At first, the crow was ahead. But after completing 2 rounds, he got very tired. The swans kept moving forward. In their path, there came a large lake. The swans were good at flying long distances. They had no problem. But the crow was in trouble. There was water everywhere below him. There was no place for him to sit and relax. He was very tired and could not fly anymore. At last, he fell into the water. He thought, "Oh my God, I'm going to die." The swans saw the crow. They took pity on him and saved him. Because of his false pride, the crow had to face death. But the swans saved him, even after the crow disrespected them.